So this is going to be a tutorial how to beat Night 3 in fnam. If you don't know what that is, it's basically Five Nights at Freddy's mixed with a Gorilla Tag. And yeah, I'm aware that people are talking in the background. It's just because the nights are bugged right now. So yeah. And also, Night 4 is around the corner. When that comes out, I'm going to do a tutorial on how to beat that as soon as possible. But let's get into it.
Hello? Hello? Hey there. Hey, welcome to your third night. You might have heard something strange last night. The phone guy died somehow. Anyways, this time you've got a flashlight and a door. The creatures are, however, more aggressive now, and if you see one under the table, shine the light at it before it's too late. If one's at the door, just close it, like on the first night. Have a good night, and hey, don't die, alright?
He's so hot. Chase me a fan art. Wait, what happened? Oh yeah, no, I said that. I have every single. I said that the monster's hot. Oh my god! I just hit my hand. Almost back on the monster. I do not. Haha, you don't even have it. Yeah, press his eyes for a treat. Oh, what the heck? What the heck? Wait, what does that do? What does that do? Oh, pressing you. What does it do?
This is a pre-recorded message playing because we've detected an error with the power.
Bro, you did a good job.
Hold down the green button on the generator for about 5
Get him, get him, get him, get him! Hey, why are you complaining? Where are you, boy? Knock it off! You gotta change your name. How did bro get what? Bro, you gotta change your
Dummy.
name.
Hi, dummy. Finger painter. Here's the finger painter.
Shut up. Shut up. No, shut up, boy. Shut up. Bro, I'm on crack right now.
I hope you paint your fingers.
Bro, this is VR game, bro. I love it. I love it. Look, it's a finger painter. Guys, I have a finger painter. I have a finger painter. I bet you don't believe me. I have a finger painter.
I seen it. He has finger painter.
Who said that? What the heck? Why's this guy? Bro. See? I have a finger painter.
I'm gonna go.
No, don't go.
I already know
Don't
for
go.
sure that council lady.
I might get it. I might get it.
Fine.
Look, I have the finger painter. I have the...
Oh, what the heck is that noise?
This is a pre-recorded message playing because we've detected an error with the power. Hold down the green.
Yeah! Change your name. You gotta change your name, Red. Alright, give me a second.
Why? What's my name?
It's Gorilla. The default Gorilla. I don't got the finger painter, bro. I don't know why you're freaking out. See, bro? Here, do you want me to go through my badges? Bro, you want me to go through my badges?
Can you guys hear me?
You guys hear me? Dude, I'm so cool. I'm a finger painter.
Are you the one person? Hello. Are you the one person?
This is a pre-recorded
Hi.
message playing because we've detected an error with the power. Hold down the...
Can you stop
Wait
massaging my
a
face?
minute. Why do I recognize that name?
Oh, Visa.
It's him. That's why I recognize the name. What's good, bro? I see your cosmetics now. My VR died. My VR died.
Can I get a fist pump before I go?
And now check your cosmetics. Yeah.
Oh, by the way, just to let you know, this game is safe. This game's been, it's gonna be safe. So if someone tries to hack or mod this game, they can't. So what I'm gonna do in a few days, I'm actually getting this this DLL. So this DLL basically makes it so this game can't get modded or hacked unless I remove the DLL out of this game. So I'll probably add it, but I have to make the DLL first. The DLL's not made, so I'll have to make it first. And then I'll see if I can add it to the game. But I have to talk to Alex about it first.
What is that? Wow, Alex was just in front of me. Oh no.
I know, I was in the lobby with Alex and with his fucking brother. His brother's an asshole, just to let you guys know.
This is a
No,
pre-recorded
Alex is
message
cool, but his
playing
brother's an
because
asshole.
we've detected an error with the power.
Don't.
Hold down the
Don't.
Who's his brother? Who's his brother?
Don't curse, please, if you can.
My guy, are you kidding me right now? What have I just told you?
Yeah, I know, but if you.
I
if
swear to
most
God,
of
all
the,
these, I swear
my
that a
chat-
lot of moderators have dementia.
Brother, never mind. Alright, you do you. I'm pretty much done at this point.
Okay.
Oh, parkour is easy.
Wait, how do I join the Discord? Where do I go to join the Discord? Where do I go to join the Discord? Oh, there, right there.
Boom.
This is a pre-recorded message
Oh,
playing
no, I
because
don't wanna
we've
join the
detected
Discord
an
for
error
reasons.
with the power. Hold
Gonna...
Because you're
We are the champions.
Come on, I had to, bro.
Hey, Purple, change your name.
You can,
Purple.
you can do it to me. I'll get in the corner. Go ahead and do it to me, bro. I'm in the corner. Go ahead. So giant. It's so big.
Okay, buddy.
It could fit.
Bro, it's the
Nah,
mod.
that's kinda weird.
Kinda weird, dog. Man, I'm done.
Man, wait, guys, ready? Guys, man, I'm dead. Wait, guys, watch this. Guys,
Are
watch
you
this.
the one person who has spammed before? Are you
Why
the
do I
one
get
person who
this
spammed
from-
before?
Oh.
Yes, I am the one person that spammed the report button.
Hey, bro, this time.
I see why
Hold on.
this is hard.
67. 67.
My
Okay,
hand
this
is
time
also
don't
red,
hack the
so
game.
click.
I know it's
I'm not
safe,
hacking
right?
the game, my guy. I said as long as me and the owner
This is a
chill,
pre-recorded
then the
message
game's safe.
playing because we've detected
Okay,
an
I'm
error
not
with the
kidding you, man.
power.
From 67 to 69.
I don't care. You're
Yeah.
good, bro.
Alex, come here.
Wait,
So are you the dude
Okay,
that hacked the game last time?
Yo.
Last time, no, it was one of my friends.
No clip like
Can you hear me?
Infinite.
Oh. Can you hear me? Yes.
I have DLL friends and hacker friends,
Who-
my guy.
Who is your? What,
Why am I just
what did you? What did
you-
you
This is a
grab?
pre-recorded message playing because we've detected an error with the
I
power.
have mod in
Hold
Animal
up.
Company. Mods, I have a mod in APK.
That
I
is
can
my
probably give you.
question, because
Okay. So
I'm
mine-
in. I'm in like.
I mean,
I have an animal. I have the newest update of Animal Company on a modded APK if you want it.
Yeah, actually,
Has
wait,
every-
wait,
it has
wait,
everything
give
in the
that to me.
Yeah, it has
Wait,
everything
can we
in the
go
game,
somewhere
and
so
it
I
gives
can
you like
hear you?
unlimited
Okay, how do I
money.
turn off the music? How do I turn off? You know, 69 bits.
This is a pre-recorded message playing because we've detected an error with the power.
Join
Hold-
the Discord and look in the moderator.
To be honest, I don't,
Wait, what
I
were you
don't
saying?
feel
What were you
comfortable
saying?
joining the Discord as I did only just threaten to mod this game.
Okay,
Dog.
what's your name? I guess I'll just
So I
add you.
can do it.
Don't really want to say it because
What?
Is it
Yeah,
sound stupid? I'm about to turn
it's
it
not
into
something stupid. I just don't want to get banned on YouTube, TikTok, or VR.